it's April 1st and I'm about to prank Frankie. Hello?
Yes, no, okay.
Hi, Bear. I kind of have to talk to you about something.
What?
Don't freak out.
Wait, what?
Okay, so you know how my period's been late?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Mariana gave me a pregnancy test.
What?
And
God, I know it's April 1st, you motherfuckers. You know, I'm trying to work out. I just realized, like, as you said that, I'm like, no way.
you got it quick. Did you kind of get freaked out for a second though?
So, like, literally, like, as I said it, like, in my mind, like, barely, but we almost did. So funny.
Oh my god, he caught on so fast, but I know he did get spooked for like a minute. Oh boy. I literally woke up and I was like about to do my 5-minute journal and I wrote down the day and I was like, oh my god, it's April 1st. I have to go prank Frank somehow. Guys, I just got ready. I'm gonna head to a Revolve workout with my friend Mariana. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let's see if this camera stays. Okay, real quick, it's like a weird boob shot. The top is from Revolve. I will link it. I forget the brand. Shorts are Year of Ours. Jacket is thrifted. This bag is Prada. My shoes are on Cloud. I'll back up so you can see the full vibe. Really basic. These sunglasses are from Vela Sunglasses, I believe is what they're called. I love them. They're my new fave. And yeah, Mariana and I are gonna go head out and have ourselves a little Saturday. Guys, we're on our way. Mariana and I are, why did I just stumble over her name? Mariana. Just walking on, what is this, Melrose?
No.
Yes.
Is it? Okay, wow.
This is technically Melrose. We're almost there at the Revolve Social Club. And we have absolutely no idea what this workout is gonna entail. Like, I mean, it's rowing. It's some form of rowing workout, but I've never done a fully rowing workout class before. I do have no upper body strength, so this will be interesting. But you know what? My lens is super dirty and love that for me. Perfect. Yes.
If your big number is over 20.
Okay guys, I just got home, but we made a pit stop at Creation. I got a couple soups. I got a bone broth, and then I also got a cabbage soup because they were buy one get one free. And then Revolve gave me this really good black and tan because they're doing like a La Colombe collab, which was bomb. So good. Just made a random piece of avocado toast and it's super gloomy outside. I was gonna go for a hike, but I already worked out, so I feel like I'm just gonna go for a walk and maybe do some shopping because it's Saturday, so why not? You can't have this. Little boy, avocados are not okay for dogs to eat. You can eat your own food. I literally poured him a bowl of food and he won't eat it. My children. It's so crowded. Park. What do you need for that to help you find that?
A film camera, like a good
Oh, he can definitely help you find that.
I was thinking of going to the trading post.
Where are we even going right now?
I think I'm mascara.
Got to a little restaurant here in the Grove. We're about to get a few bites. Laura is making fun. If you make fun, I'll put you in the vlog. I'll embarrass you more. If you get embarrassed, I'll embarrass you more. I'll start making TikToks. So, they have to enunciate. They won't hear me. Okay guys, I'm home. Frankie ended up coming to the Grove and bringing the dog, so we just hung out for a little bit. We went to C's Candies and got some samples, which were so good. Now I'm back. I'm making us spaghetti squashes for dinner. This one's mine. This huge one is Frank's. I mean, you'll see. I kind of cut it really lopsided. Like, this one is humongous and this one is much smaller, but it's okay. This was kind of a big spaghetti squash, so he might not honestly finish it. The oven is preheated at 400. I just microwaved this to make it easier to cut. And now I'm gonna put it on a baking sheet with parchment paper, sprinkle it with olive oil, salt and pepper, or avocado oil actually, because that's all we have. And we are gonna bake it at 400 for like 35 to 40 minutes. And I'm just scraping, right now you can't see me, but I'm just scraping the seeds into the garbage. And oh my God, this is not the right, actually, it's kind of working pretty well. I was gonna say this is not the right utensil for this, but a seed just went flying, but it's fine. This kind of reminds me of fall, like pumpkin seeds and stuff. But we're gonna have this with meatballs and marinara sauce. We're honestly both really hungry. I just had that avocado toast, and then we had the little drink and like a little appetizer and some like one candy. But I did a workout and we walked a lot, so I'm pretty starving right now. So I am really excited to eat. Okay, these guys are cut out or carved out. I'm gonna put these in the oven with the oil and the salt and pepper, and then we can have dinner soon. Okay guys, so here is dinner. This is my little side salad with some homemade balsamic dressing. And then this is our spaghetti squash boat. Kind of looks bomb, no? Guys, dinner was honestly bomb. I'm so red in the face because I'm like hot from cooking. Now we're doing my favorite thing, eating an assortment of chocolates and watching The Office. This is like my ideal Saturday night situation. It's 6:30 and I'm like almost ready for bed. I'm not even gonna lie. But today was such a nice like chill Saturday. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Yesterday we went to bed at like 10:30, which was so nice. Such a chill, relaxing Saturday. But I just woke up, had my coffee, and I'm about to, Frank already left for the gym. He works out for way longer than me, so I just like take my own car because I'm not trying to get stranded there. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's really cute. My friend who has an athletic line sent it to me and it's adorable. She sent me a bunch of different sets and I love this. Frank was like, I don't think you should wear that to the gym. I feel like it's like more of like lounge, like athleisure. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna wear it to the gym. I'm just gonna do like elliptical and abs. So like, I don't really care. I'm not like doing anything. I'm not like trying to run a marathon or anything. So I'm gonna show you guys anyways. This is the little outfit. Isn't it so cute? I think he said that because it's like flare pants. But I'm like, Frank, do you not remember yoga pants? Like girls in high school used to work out in yoga pants. That's what they're meant for, yoga. Like people just wear athleisure now to wear it, but I think they're so cute. I'm gonna wear my brand new On Clouds, and I'm loving this outfit. I'm also loving waking up on a Sunday feeling super refreshed and ready to take on the day. I've been loving kind of just like hermiting a little bit. Also because I am so lucky and like privileged to not have to have a job besides like modeling jobs, which is still, it's not every day and it's not 9 to 5 all the time. I'm so lucky that I don't have to just do things on the weekends. I feel like the weekends for me are almost more of like a time that I want to stay inside because the streets are just packed with people everywhere. Like yesterday at the Grove, it was just mobbed. I wanted to go shopping. I wanted to go to like Aloe and Zara, and I just honestly didn't even want to go in because you couldn't move anywhere. Like it's so miserable, and I'm so spoiled knowing that like I can go on a random Tuesday at like 10 a.m. and there's no one there, you know what I mean? And like, why would I put myself through that when like I don't need to? I totally understand if like the weekend's your only time to go, which is obviously why there's so many people there, one, and two, like tourists. Obviously a lot of people like do long weekends or whatever. I don't know, weekends are just a pop in time. Like it was literally a Saturday at like 2 p.m. Like obviously there's gonna be a bajillion people there, duh. So I'm like, I don't need to put myself through that. If I don't have to, I don't need to. Like we went and sat down at that cute little like restaurant outside because there was no wait. They had a cute table for us and it was just like something, we were already there and we didn't feel like shopping in that chaos. So we're like, all right, screw it, we might as well get a little appetizer. And then we went to C's Candies and I got a birthday cake truffle, which was so good. But besides that, I'm like, I really like have no desire to be bopping around on the weekend. I was like, I might go to the mall today, I know I just went to an outdoor mall and I was like, I still like have this shopping bug that I like want to go and look for something, but I'm like, it's Sunday. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna chill at home, maybe go on another walk. I don't know what I'm gonna do, like organize. Oh my God, I could do my closet today. No, I'm not doing that today. That's like a full day, like start in the morning. I'm like fake wash eyeing my face right now with my hands. That's like a start in the morning type of thing. Okay, quick story time. I just put all my summer clothes away, like end of January when I came back from Massachusetts. I put all my summer clothes away and I put all my winter clothes out because I realized I had all my stuff out all at once and it was just a clusterfuck. Like I could never know what I wanted to wear because I had like a mixture of summer clothes, spring clothes, fall clothes, winter clothes all together. My closet was so packed. I was like quadruple hanging everything. Frank got the bigger closet in this apartment, so that's kind of ridiculous, but whatever. Anyways, long story short, now I have no desire to wear those winter clothes. Now it's starting to feel like summer in LA. I only want to wear cute spring and summer vibes. I don't want to wear black and dark clothing anymore. That's all I have hanging up is like, if it's not like jackets and flannels and sweaters, then it's like dark colors, really like kind of fall and winter, like LA style fall and winter vibe. And I'm like, I don't want to wear that right now. Like I really don't. It's starting to feel like summer again. Yesterday was coldish, but still I was wearing shorts. I just can't, like once you get in that mood, you get that little spring bug, you're like, I'm done with winter. I'm not wearing a freaking turtleneck until next December. I'm just not doing it right now. So I really need to switch them out, but I literally just did it like 2 months ago, not even. And that's because I had never done it before. So whatever, I just need to bite the bullet, but it's going to take me forever. Like this was like a 2 to 3 day project last time because I have so much clothes and very little space, to be honest, for the amount of clothes that I have. Like stuff is underneath my bed in like these pull out drawer things. So they're not even drawers, they're like pull out bins. So it just took forever. And I ran out of hangers 1,000 times, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like really putting that off, but I need to just do it because I find myself going into the bins underneath my bed to find outfits for like events or just day to day. And I'm sick of doing that. So yeah, I need to rip off that Band-Aid. I'll probably vlog it for you guys, but it's not gonna be today. Maybe it'll be if I have a day off this week. I will definitely do that. Hey guys, I just got home from the gym. My mom is FaceTiming me again because I was talking to her, then Frank called me, and now she's calling me back. But anyways, I didn't do anything crazy today at the gym. I just did like 35 minutes on the elliptical, and then I did some ab workouts. But anyways, today's just kind of a chill Sunday. We're going to take a little boy for a walk. He already ate and stuff this morning, so we're just gonna take him for a quick walk. Then we're gonna give him a bath, and then we're also gonna take a bath ourselves. Like I need to take a shower, but I'm just waiting until I give him a bath because I feel like it would be stupid to like get all like wet and whatever, soapy from his bath. And I'm kind of like too lazy to change and whatnot before we actually go for our walk. But anyways, besides that, like after I shower, I ended up getting a little decaf latte from Starbucks. I'm gonna bring that downstairs and I am going to be doing some laptop work and just kind of chilling in my like downstairs rec room area and getting work done. I feel like I want to say that I can get work done upstairs, and I have said it before that like I've been really productive up here, but lately I just feel like I can't get motivated to edit videos and I don't know why. And I really think it's because I have so much temptation to like watch TV up here that like I will put on other people's YouTube videos and watch them, or like a show or something that I'm watching, and I will like do my emails and do my my other work, but I won't edit my videos because that means I have to stop watching my TV, which is like so sad to say. So I'm like, this is literally my job. I need to like get myself out of the house and like get my ish together. So that's what we're doing. Yes, it's Sunday, but honestly I haven't edited my videos. I have 2 vlogs that need to go up, this one included. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing on this lovely Sunday. And other than that, Frank is going over to my friend Mariana's boyfriend's house. Well, it's their house. My friend Mariana's boyfriend lives with her, but he's having a little mini poker tournament, so they're gonna be hanging there. And then he's doing a movie night with his other friends. So I basically lost him for the whole night.
Also last.
We're back at our place, Creation. We just got back from our walk and from Creation, which is like this juice place next door. I showed you guys yesterday. What I got today was, it's the last day for buy one get one free. So I got the sophisticated salmon wrap, which I'm gonna eat tomorrow after work. And then the meltdown salad. The salmon wrap is just salmon, collard greens, Persian cucumber, Napa cabbage, red cabbage, green onion, carrots, kale, heirloom tomatoes, Himalayan salt, Cajun seasoning, and black pepper. And then it comes with their homemade chipotle dressing. And then this is just the meltdown salad. It's like a kale and spring mix salad, lemon, what's it called? Chicken. And they're like green goddess dressing, which looks really good. Then I got 2 of these like thicker coffee matcha beverages. I got the matcha latte in Love You So Matcha and the Loaded Gun fat burning energy drink. This is just a bulletproof coffee. It's literally coconut meat, cold pressed coffee, water, monk fruit, grass-fed unsalted butter, cacao powder, MCT oil, vanilla extract, and cinnamon extract. And then this one is coconut meat, water, monk fruit, chlorophyll, matcha green tea powder, vanilla extract, and cinnamon extract. So love that. Then Frankie got 2 juices. These are the Serenity and the Hemp Aid. Serenity is water, lemon, agave, turmeric, ginger, and cayenne. This one's really good. This used to be my favorite. And then the Hemp Aid is water, hemp seed oil, monk fruit, lemon, apple cider vinegar, camu camu, and blue algae. And then we got a few shots. We got these ginger shots. And then these shots actually taste really good. There's the vitamin C and then the Emerjuicy. It's because they have like orange, pineapple, and strawberry juice in it. This one does. And yeah, this one has the same, but just a little bit different. This one's just a little bit more. So we're gonna take the shots. And I'm gonna drink these and eat these meals over the next couple days because I know I'm gonna be working, so it'll be good for me to have super like easy meals to have. Also, I just changed the setting on my camera and I feel like it looks so much better. I don't know what setting I was in before, but if you have a Canon G7X or if you make YouTube videos, please let me know what setting you guys use. But I think that this setting is much better. I don't know what I was doing before.
It's just simply ginger.
Should we chase with the other ones? The other ones taste good.
No, I want to see.
All right, we're doing the ginger and we're chasing with the yummy ones. Yours tastes way better, I swear in my life. And then try yours. See? I told you. All right, anyways. Frankie's always convinced that I'm trying to give him the shittier end of the stick. Like, I just know your taste buds. Cheers. How did you do that so fast?
Professional shot taker. Oh my god.
How did you do that?
My mouth's on fire.
Mine is 2.
Well, down the hatch.
That's all she wrote. He's good. All clean. Yay! Yay! Get him a treat. Good boy. Alright, come on, buddy. Here's Frank's juicing station. He's got all of his juices, or not juices, ginger shots. This is how he makes it. We also put turmeric, lemon, and cracked black pepper in there. His hands are clean, don't worry. Then he just rinses off the bottles. We have all these shots that we're actually gonna probably have some left over. I feel like we can put that extra mix like somewhere, don't you think, babe? Where's your outfit of the day from?
Hopefully.
Is it the whole outfit?
Yeah.
No, the shorts are not Alpha Elite.
Yeah,
they are. It's doing good. I'm just having my dinner. I'm having that meltdown salad from Creation with the green goddess dressing. It's honestly pretty good. It could definitely use some like goat cheese or like feta or something, but I guess that would defeat the purpose of it being like this healthy like green goddess type of vibe. Not really, but I also don't have any, so otherwise I probably would throw some in. But it's pretty good. Hi, Wrinkles. These two cuties. It's Rainy Day Rinky. He looks so cute. His little eye.
Why are we rushing?
Repositioned.
Why are we